My name's William, and I'm a woodworker, furniture maker specifically. The greatest sense of pride I have through my work is probably just, honestly, just seeing everything come together at the end. Spending a lot of time up in my head trying to figure out how I'm going to reach this goal. And then getting to that goal is extremely rewarding, and being able to see something beautiful that you made with your own hands and that you were able to problem solve to get to. I was looking for a company that had really high standards for themselves and their employees. And I think Vogue checked all those boxes, especially the independence. We have our own benches, we get a print, we get a talk down, and then, it's only kind of the whole way down the project, which is really fulfilling for me. Well, there really isn't a typical day in a shop like this because everything's unique. It's all custom products, and a lot of our work is very individual. I would not have discovered this opportunity if it was not for you and Sam Beauford, and that's really a big part of why I came to Sam Beauford, was job opportunities. And during that time there, we had a bunch of companies come in and give presentations in person or over the phone, and Vogue was one of those that really caught my eye. I think the most valuable skills is just acquiring lots of little skills and kind of building on top of whatever you have. The wide variety of things that we covered at Sam Beauford, whether that be specific skills like marquetry or turning, or something within the business classes or the extra classes that we have, or SketchUp classes, all those things kind of add together and give you the big picture, basically, which was very valuable. Honestly, my favorite part just on the day-to-day was just the classmates and the teachers, and just getting to come in there every day and hang out. It was a really good environment.